Let's get started. آئیے شروع کریں. Today we will learn about some names of common and exotic fish and shellfish. White fish. Any of various fish with white or silvery flesh whose main reserves of fat are in the liver. This is a cod. This is a haddock. This is a plaice. This is a sea bass. This is a turbot. This is a Dover sole. This is a perch. This is a John Dory. This is a collie. This is a ling. This is a red snapper. This is a catfish. This is a monkfish. This is a pollock. This is a tilapia. This is a brill. This is a halibut. This is a hake. This is a red mullet. This is a flounder. This is a mahi-mahi. This is a dab. This is a pomfret. This is a sea bream. This is a parrotfish. This is a kingfish. This is a sand sole. This is a gilt-head bream. This is a milkfish. This is a pike. Oily fish. Any of various fish that has oil throughout its body rather than being mainly in the liver. This is a salmon. This is a skate. This is a trout. This is a swordfish. This is a mackerel. This is an eel. This is an anchovy. This is a carp. This is a pilchard. This is a herring. These are whitebait. This is a kipper. These are sardines. Shellfish. Any of various sea creatures that have a shell and are eaten as food. This is a prawn. This is a crab. This is an oyster. This is a lobster. These are mussels. This is a langoustine. This is a squid. These are cockles. This is a scallop. These are shrimps. Thank you. Hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care. शुक्रिया। इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपको ये वीडियो दिलचस्प लगी होगी। हम आपकी कीमती आरा के मुंतज़िर हैं। मज़ीद इस तरह की वीडियोस के लिए बराए मेहरबानी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।